For a complex search on CINAHL, I like to use the Advanced tab because you can have each line on its own box and organize ideas. You can add a row here or delete rows as you need. I suggest keeping each of your searches onto one line so that it's easy to organize and go back and modify at a later time. I also like to have an open document next to me across. Let's take a look at an example using PICO or the PCC framework. I'll show you both. Um, let's start off by saying that I want to look in the PICO framework. I'm going to put my patient or population information in the top. I'm going to take a look at women or female. So I have that saved in my document on the side, and I'm going to take a look here. So here you can see that if I want to look on CINAHL and I want articles or information and research hits that are about women or female, I have 2 million results, almost 3 million to comb through. That's a little overwhelming. So I want to narrow down and more specifically into my topic. I'm going to use the Boolean operator and so that I can look for women, female articles, and in addition to a particular concept. In this case, I'm using PICO, so I'm going to talk about the intervention that I want to focus on, which I want to intervene on plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis is known by this term, but it also has other terms it could go by. So I'm going to add in all capitals or, and I'm going to type in plantar heel pain or plantar fasciopathy because either of those terms could be used for the articles. This is going to tell the search database that I want to look for papers that use this title or this title or this title. Make sure that your ORs are capitalized so that the database knows to search for them that way. Sometimes the search bar is going to give suggestions to you as a pop-up, and then you'll have the ORs lowercase, so you'll need to change them. When I hit search, I'll see those almost 3 million results narrow down because now they have to be about women and females and about plantar fasciitis. So here you can see I have 1,373 results. Okay. Because of PICO, I'm also going to take a look at now my comparison. So I want to take a look at this issue and the treatments for it. I'm going to type in the word treatment, but instead of looking for just treatment, I also want to find treatments or treating. So I'm going to stop after the word treat and I'm going to truncate, which is indicated by an asterisk. This means that the search database knows that I am searching for treats, treating, treatments, etc. Okay, I'm also going to take a look at therapies because I know that's also an intervention that can be used for plantar fasciitis. So in this case, I want to look at therapy, but I also want to look at therapeutic results. I also want to look at therapies. So I'm going to do the same thing and I'm going to truncate after therap. Okay, and now I'm going to hit search again. I like to search each stage so that I can take a quick scan through some of the article headings and titles and see what populations are coming up. Here, I've narrowed it down to 937 results, so we're getting along the way. If I take a quick scan through some of the articles that have been pulled, I can see where they're pulling my keywords, and I can also take a look further into what kind of materials are coming up. So things I can access now, things that are PDFs, things that I have access options for taking a look online or PDF, etc. I can also take a look at particular topics that are interested. So, for example, thinking about neuroscience as a way to link this if I'm in early days of my research and I want to narrow down more. And I can take a look at the abstract to tell a little bit more about what the summary of this article is going to see. And I can see how CINAHL is grouping this by subject tags. This particular article has education, physical therapy, it's a neuroscience education, in neuralgia education, and outcomes of education evaluation, including 6 more, and I can go through there. If I want to flag this to come back to later, I can save, but I will have to have an EBSCO account to do that. And AU Library is not responsible for your database account, so just watch out for those kinds of sign-ins. I'm now going to add a row because PICO needs an O and I'm looking for an outcome. In this case, I want to reduce pain, and so I'm going to copy that in. I put reduce pain in quotation marks because I am looking for this as a phrase. I don't want just the word reduce to be searched by itself and just the word pain to be researched by itself. So I have to combine them and tell the computer or database that that's what I want. And so I have quotation marks around it. Now I've got my PICO ready to go and I can hit my search and it should have the fewest results for me, which is great because it gives me something more manageable to weed through. So once that loads, I can see now I have 78 results. And these 78 results should be all pertaining to women, all dealing with plantar fasciitis, treatments or therapies, and all focused on pain reduction. Okay. So now, much more manageable amount to search through. At this point, I can then add additional toggles that I want to fully filter my results. I'll take a look at my filters tab here. And here I can limit to, let's say I want scholarly peer reviewed. Let's say that I want to focus on a particular publication range. I recommend that you take a look through your results first before you do this limit, because you might find a really great foundational text that's not current anymore, but that people have used to then expand research further. And it's really great for an overall survey of what you're doing. I can take a look at particular publishers, languages, etc., and I can add those filters here. With those filters added, I should further refine my results because I've already eliminated the pool. So now I have 17. Okay. So that's what and take a look there. Oh, the other thing I wanted to show you is that if I don't want to focus on pain reduction, there are also other areas that I could take a look at within this topic. I'm going to go back to all dates and I'm going to not limit any filters. So I'm going to, clear those. Watch out if you do this just like I did. You have to actually hit save down here, which is block on my beautiful face. There we go. I'm going to go back now to my treatment and therapy results here. And let's say instead of looking at pain reduction, I wanted to focus on flexibility or increasing range of motion, because I know that's an area that's come up in the research here. I can search these terms. Again, I'm going to use or because I'm looking for either flexibility or I'm fine with increasing range of motion. And I can look at these results. So now this is going to pull different results that I'm going to look for, and I have 167 that I can go through. And when I further filter down to also include my peer review and take a look at more recent publications in the last 5 years for currency, I will have 27. Okay, so depending on what you put in your search bar is going to have different results. So take a look at some of the articles in your early stages. Again, that's why I recommend you're looking in your advanced stage, you're searching as you go, so that you can see things that you wouldn't know to research for in your targeted intervention. Okay, so now let's take a look at the PCC framework, which I've heard the P is patient, problem, population, the C is concept, and the second C is context. So I'm going to keep lots of the things similar here. I'm going to look for women or females. I'm going to look for plantar fasciitis or plantar heel pain or plantar fasciopathy. That stays the same. I'm going to narrow the context to look at clinical studies. Okay, so let's say that I want to take a look at clinical settings. I'm going to take a look at clinical study or clinical studies. And if I don't want to type this out twice, then how I can make sure that I'm searching it in this database is I can truncate within the quotation marks and it will search. So now this is telling the computer that I want to search for clinical study and clinical studies. And on this particular database of CINAHL, it works, but watch out because not every database allows you to truncate with that asterisk within the phrase quotation marks. I'm going to then search. I still have my filters applied from earlier about scholarly peer reviewed and for the last 5 years. So my results are going to be quite narrow. I can open that back up again if I'm doing the first search to kind of see a scene survey of what is available. Okay. And then if I want to look at how the context of culture plays on this, if the context of where these people are located plays on this, if I want to take a look at Indigenous ways of knowing and being as a context, I can search all of these terms as well to further refine my results.